Content. Knock on, playing advantage. Okay, it's going to be orange roll ball. Balls away. Content. Tag one. Back to me. Balls away. Okay, run out there. It's going to be an orange roll ball. Just so you can mark up here. Yellow's with me. Tag one. Balls away, simultaneous. Tag two.
The referee.
Balls away. Tag three. Tag four.
Hi, Mum. Skipper.
Tag four. Not forwards, playing advantage. Okay, forward by yellow, it's going to be a roll ball here for orange. Back. Yellow, back to me. You're good. Tag off where you received it. Just back there, Paddy. Tag two. Away. Three now Hail Marys. Content. Take one. Yellow's with me. Orange's with me. Take two. Oranges, pull back. Take three. Knock on, playing advantage. Hey, orange roll ball just here. Balls away. Tag one. Tag two. Three-one Tagaholics. Content. Play that. Play on. Tag one. It's forward pass there, guys. Yellow roll ball there. Play on, play on. Tag one. Orange is with me. Tag two. Tag three. Tag four. on you. Take 5, 5th and final. Oranges, don't go early, you're offside. It's good, play that. Okay, it's going to be an orange dropout. Take 1. Take 2.
Set, everyone, set.
Take 3.
Oh, get back.
Take 4. Take 5, 5th and final.
Take it, guys.
Winger, come back online. Okay, winger, you never came back on side. It's going to be a tap ball here for orange. Wait for the whistle. Okay, you've crossed over, you've caused an obstruction. It's going to be yellow tap, just here. Tag 1. Okay, knock on there, orange roll ball.
Back, Phil.
Forward pass there, guys. Yellow roll ball. Tag 1. Balls away. Take 2. Take 3.
Push right, I've got number 6. Go right.
Take 4.
Push left, go left now.
Balls away.
Oh, shit.
Balls away. On backwards. Tag 5, 5th and final. Red, you're back, you're offside. Balls away. Change over there. Tag made.
Owen.
Tag 1. Yellow to me. Balls away. Tag 2. Tag 3. Tag 4. Tag 5, 5th and final. Make it back, Jason, you're offside. Tag there, change over. No, the player wasn't interfering. On. Tag 1. Was away, late tag, playing advantage. Tag 1 on the first mark. Oranges back with me. Okay, so stop. You've made contact. It's going to be tap ball here. Just wait for the whistle. Contact. Just wait for the whistle. Just wait for the whistle. Tag one. Tag two.
For the first ball. No, Ollie, you got him.
Pull back, Jason. Ollie, you're offside. Pull back. You're good. Tag two. Last play of the half. Half time. 3-2. Yep, Hail Marys. Gone 10. Tag one. Knock on there, guys. Yellow roll ball. Tag one. Tag made before pass. Okay, it's going to be a tap ball orange from the halfway line. Not gone 10. Just wait for the whistle, please. Wait for the whistle. Oh, yellow's back with me. Back with me. Tag one. She's fine. She's fine. Zero tag. Four three Tagaholics. Gone 10. Tag one. Tag two. Tag three. Pulled away simultaneous. Tag four. Pulls away. Tag five, fifth and final. Tag's fallen off.
Good ball.
Okay, you've run forward and made contact with the player off of the ball. It's going to be a tap ball yellow.
Hard luck, Mary.
Oh, sorry. No marker, tap ball. Play. Tag one. On backwards. Tag two. Tag three. Was it wet? Tag four. Tag five, fifth and final. Change over there. Pulled away. Tag one. Take two. Play the ball, three. All away. All away. Knock on, playing advantage. It's gone out. It's going to be a knock on here. Yellow roll ball. Take one. Take two. What's away? Late tag. Okay, going to bring it back for the late tag. Tap ball. Take zero from here. Tap ball here, no marker. Take one. Orange back to me. Karen, come back. You're good. Take two. Player, just make sure that you're not spinning into somebody backwards, okay? Take three. Take four. Paddy back. Winger back. Take five, fifth and final. Winger back. All away. Tag first. Roll ball there. Tag one. Take two. Take three. Take four. Tag first, tag five. Fifth and final. Knock on, playing advantage. Zero tag there. Tag one. Tag two. Was away. Tag three. Tag four. Like that. Oh, Jesus. That's getting cut. I think so.